So since my last Brave browser video, I've been getting a lot of questions and comments regarding what is the rate of return for using the browser. Now, the rate of return depends on how many advertisements you're allowing to be shown per hour. I have mine set on the highest, which is about, I believe, 10 per hour. And with that setting over the last few months, I've been able to accumulate a good amount of Brave. And I want to show you what I've made so you can decide if that's a good avenue for you to take. All right, so here we have my Linux desktop. I'm going to go ahead and click the Brave web browser icon. Since I had the rewards tab open last, I guess it automatically opened it again. Otherwise, you would simply click on this little icon here and it'll pull up your reward summary. You can also click here and then go to Brave Rewards, which opens up this tab you see. So it looks like here that since I created that last video, I've generated 18.271 BAT token, which equates to roughly $24.07. Now this was all done by surfing the web like I normally would. Nothing's changed. So by simply switching over from Chrome, Edge, Internet Explorer, what have you, you can actually earn money in crypto that's tradable. So you don't have to keep your BAT token. You can go ahead and trade it out on an exchange. It's the easiest way to earn crypto by far.